mystery box. Enjoy, simple. So if you want some catchy anime type name on your clothing, you can do that. Oh boy, see, someone else got something like that. Yes. Let's go through the dry. Right, I think we did that one. Right, yes we did. Okay. Cool, be Hot Wheels. Leading the way.
Y'all need to take a photo too.
Oh, hello Deadpool.
I learned that from my
Hey Deadpool. Look who you can meet here. Hey, and here's more gaming supplies for you to go and purchase. Oh, cool background. Tails, more tails. Pokemon. Artifact. Aye, One Piece. Yay. More figurines. More people. More big visuals or decals. Oh, look, Lom. One of them is Lom there. Cute. Let's try Eclipse. What? Artist LA. More art. Art. Hello. Okay, more art. Your van is rockets. Posters. More decals. Alright, people at work. More figurines. Oh, it's a Priscilla Wilson here. Where is that Priscilla Wilson, George? So, are you Priscilla Wilson? Oh, look at this, huh? Oh, it's lovely here. Hi. More t-shirts. More pups. Nothing. Brazil.
Jesse just stole some salad.
They have to, right? Now they do something. They only have like 3 or 4.
I think that's everything there. Box lunch. What's up? Oh, what a cute doggy. And in case you're wondering, I actually did see a cat actually over at 7-Eleven in one of those bags with the see-through covers, right? Soro! Hi, you know what that means? Forks! Yes, that means forks in Spanish. And Sora is forks vixen in female. Yes, in Spanish, female forks vixen, you know. Right. Right, cool art. Aye, these are neat. Neat plushies there. Hello. Nothing. Right, more swords. More Pokemon. Hello, he's crowded. More decals, waifu hub. Alright, I wonder what they could be referring to there, eh? There's nothing but wholesome things, right? More figurines. More swords. Oh, toys and stuff. Oh, these so cute. Look at these folks here will protect us. See the review. Laser tag. Anyone remember laser tag? I do. Never played with it when I was little, but I played other laser type games. Not really fond of it. Look at the old school Star Wars figures, eh? Master System cartridge. The box. And this is Toy Fusion of everyone. Right, they're still around. Fantastic. That was real cute. My brother's a bunch of these. It's the Lion King deals. Ooh, what is cool, eh? Sorry, dear. Hi, it's a fun shop. You should definitely go in there if you're in Sacramento here sometime. I don't know if the shop is reopened after the pandemic. Not sure, but they do. You can go on for that. More plushies. One thing you can always count on at these conventions is getting a lot of plushies and figurines. Right. We are still not done, and Verizon wants you to sign up.
Okay, maybe later on.
Verizon wants you to sign up here. Why should I sign up for Verizon?
So basically, you sign up for Verizon, we're actually giving out free prizes. You scan our QR code.
Ooh.
Absolutely. So
You heard
it's very
that?
easy, one question, and you actually can get a free prize.
Okay. We are still not done. More poops. More art. Oh, look at that there. Aren't you adorable? Hello again.
Oh, hi.
And what were your names?
Baker.
And Keiko.
You heard that. You saw them at the yesterday. All right. So those are their names. And all right. You got an Instagram or YouTube or anything?
Instagram.
Yes. Baker.
Baker loves Pibb. P-I-B-B, like the soda.
There you go. Baker loves Pib. Okay. Fantastic. Good to meet you again. Chopstick sets. Oh, I think that's about it. What? Yeah, cookies. Oh, full order. More toys. Right, we did that one. Koi. There's your stocking bins and landfill. You want to throw stuff out. You got all your pokies and you want to throw out your books. There you go. I know. Hi, Foxy. Alright, tuxedo mask, everyone. We haven't seen you in a while.
Can I get a picture of you? Yeah.
Alright, everyone. I'll see you over there. Almost an hour here. Okie dokie. And now we're getting out to the hallway here. If you want to go to the painthouse, they will be over there. It's also where they have a lot of the meetups, you know, for photography. So we are heading out there. Oh yes, one last thing. There's a Maui Wow, Hawaiian coffee, popcorn and stuff like that, yes. Here's some more cosplayers. Right. Hey, yes, okie dokie. Right, so there we go. Okie dokie, so everyone go like and subscribe. Stay foxy.